Hello, my name is Jason Burke and I am the Knit and Crochet Tiger. Today I want to show you how to knit the 5 wrap rope motif. This is the 5 wrap rope motif. As you can see, there is 5 wraps around the stitches here, making it the 5 wrap. To do this stitch you will need a cabling needle, as well as your normal needle and yarn. Alright, I'm only going to show how to do the 5 wraps and this bit here in the center. Alright, for the first row, which is the 5 wraps, we're going to go ahead and work our stitches over to the rope itself. And then we have 2 purl stitches here. Now here, to do the wrap, we first cable 3 stitches forward. See, we put 3 stitches on the cable needle, hold it forward, we knit 3, and then from the cable needle we'll knit 3 more, taking them directly off the cable needle. Yes, I know it's hard to keep in frame. Okay. Let's adjust it just a little bit. Okay, now that we have the 6 stitches cabled, we're going to put the 6 stitches back on to the cable needle. And yes, that one on the end is going to be a little loose, but we can tighten that back up once we get all 6 stitches on the cable needle. Okay. To do this wrap, I always move my stitches to the center of the cable needle, like so. Then I take this working yarn and we're going to wrap clockwise, going this way. This is 1 full wrap, 2 wraps, 3, 4, oh, hit the camera, and this makes 5 full wraps. I feel like the Count. Yeah, growing up he was one of my favorite Muppets on Sesame Street. 5 wonderful wraps. Wow. Okay, then as you see, I just passed all those 6 stitches back onto the right needle. That now locks in the 5 wraps. Alright, let me quickly work the rest of the row. And then I'm going to work 1 wrong side row so that we can go to creating the special inside stitches of the rope. I'm just simply doing a 3 stitch garter stitch on the selvage edge of my swatch here. And then these 6 get purled. Gotta purl 1 at a time, or it will totally look different from what it is intended. Knit these 2, then knit these last 3 selvage stitches on the garter stitch. Now we're back to the front side. Well, Let me quickly work 2 more rows, a front side and a back side, a right side and a wrong side. I should be using proper terminology, yes, I admit it. Okay, this is the right side, so I'm just gonna knit past this. Oh. Let's knit this, and we're gonna purl these and knit the last 3. Yeah, I know, I'm going too fast. If you really want to see me doing these stitches, you can slow down the video. Click on the little gear looking wheel at the bottom of your video, and you can change the video speed. Okay, and now we're on the wrong side. Alright, now this is these really nice lacy little things in the center of the rope here. I'm going to show you how to make that. So first of all, we work over to the rope. Go ahead and do the garter stitch. Okay. Purl 2. Alright, now we're to the rope. So first we do a yarn over. As you see, I just yarned over. Now here we do a knit 3 together. K3 TOG, or what I call a K throg. Okay, that's 3 together. It makes 1 stitch. Takes 3 stitches, makes 1. You're going to lose two stitches in your count here, but we will get that back on the next round, on the next row. We then, on the next, we're going to do a slip, slip, slip. It's just like an SSK, but it's an SSSK. Instead of 2, we're doing 3. And then we're going to slip them back to the left needle and knit through the back loop. Again, just like the K-throg, or the knit 3 together, the SSSK takes 3 stitches and turns them into 1. Alright, we do a yarn over, then we purl these 2. Alright, purl these 2. Then I'm going to speed up a little bit to get back around on the wrong side. Okay, I'm going to work fast, or try to work fast, to get to the point where the special stitches are inside the rope. Here's the 2 for the background purls. Okay, now we're back at the rope. There's 4 stitches here. The yarn over, purl, purl, yarn over. We're going to purl all 4 of those stitches. Okay. And we knit these 2, and then knit 3 selvage. Now, the middle. And what we're going to do is knit over to the rope. And we're going to purl these 2. We're back at the rope again. There's 4 stitches here, but we needed 6 for the rope. So we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to knit 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over. Purl these 2 for the background. And then I'm going to speed up a little bit, because that's the selvage edge. Okay. And like the last time we did a wrong side, we're going to knit these 3 selvage stitches, and then knit the 2 background stitches. And now we're back at the rope. This time we have 6 stitches here, so we're going to purl all 6. Yes, our count did go back up. Remember, we lost 2 stitches and it went from 6 to 4. Well, on the second row that we did the yarn overs, we gained those 2 stitches back. So we now knit to get across, and I just simply purled those 6 stitches that were part of the rope. I'll turn the work, and here is the third and final section to make the lace part of the rope. We knit 3, for the selvage stitches. We purl these 2. Now here, this is the really fun, interesting part. Just like the K-throg, or knit 3 together, we're going to use these 3 stitches together. We're going to insert our needle as if we're knitting 3 together. We're actually going to do that. Pull through your yarn, but do not pull these 3 off the left needle yet. What we're going to do is now do a yarn over. Now that's 2 loops right there. See, 2 loops on our needle. Then we're going to insert back into it as if we are knitting 3 together again. Pull up a 3rd loop. Now we've got 3 loops. We started with 3 stitches. We have 3 loops on the needle. Now we could pull those 3 stitches off the left needle. Now, the next 3 stitches are going to be the same, except it's going to be just like the SSK, or the SSSK. 3 S's. We slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit, pass all 3 back onto the left needle. Now we do not want to split our yarn, no. So we then insert the right needle as if to purl, but we're going to knit through the back loop. As you can see, my needle is on the back side, the yarn is in the back, so we're going to pull up just like an SSSK, pull up 1 loop. Do not remove these 3 stitches from the left needle yet. You yarn over, insert your right needle back through those 3 stitches on the left needle, pull up a 3rd loop. Now we can remove these 3 stitches from the left needle. We then purl these 2 stitches in the background and knit the 3 selvage. Now, let's take a look at this. As you can see, this was the first with the K-throg and the SSSK, where we took the yarn overs and turned 6 stitches into 4. Then this was the second one, where we gained those 2 missing stitches back, making the second row of yarn over. We now have 6 stitches, and then this is the final row where we did the K-Throg with 3 loops and the SSSK with 3 loops. Now when you come back on the wrong side, this will close over the lace here and here, making it look just like this. 3 lace holes. Isn't that neat? Alright, well, give me a thumbs up and a like if you want, and happy knitting.